File, Export as PNG. It's going to give me the options right here. I want it to be 1280 by 800. Yes. Quality, high quality, 100%. Don't use palettes. Yeah, we want to use palettes. Don't touch that. And then click Save. There's my PNG. And this one's called Spark Header. Let's go to our Spark page. This is my existing Spark page with my existing header that I've had there all year. Yours might be a photo that you put up there. It might be just gray. Now is the time to fix it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna just click in here and I'm gonna say replace, and I gotta upload the photo. I just put it on my download, so it's right there, Spark Header PNG. Click it, that's it, open, and there it is. Let's just get rid of this. I've got this stuff that says Studio 903 sample portfolio. You probably have your name and Studio 903 portfolio. We want that to go away because now we have all this other stuff on here that needs to show, okay? So you just click on here and then just delete. You'll still see this transparent version. That's not going to show in real life on the real published view. It's just showing right here on the back end because it's telling you you have an opportunity to put a title there. So I deleted the title and I deleted the subtitle. Write your Spark, put all your stuff up there, and then make sure that you click Share, Publish and Share Link. You're going to have to update the link. Once you update the link, it's going to take a second. I should have just previewed it for you, but it'll take a second to upload, and then you can see what it's going to look like for everybody, which will be nice. Okay, so there's the link. I'm going to copy it. Let's just go to this new tab over here and paste it so you can see what that looks like. Here's my custom header on my Spark page. Load, load. Let's go. If you need help, please ask. Do not get to, there you go. There's my new header. Now your page is going to look like your page.